Honey, I'm seriously sorry, Han, from the bottom of my butt.
Bottom of your butt?
Careful driving. Halahan, the wind. Be careful driving, okay? Please.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan. Time check, it is 6:42 na ng it's really bad weather today. Ang weather ngayong araw is thunder, mahangin. Yung hangin is 50 to 60 km per hour. So that means ang lakas ng hangin. And may hangin na siya, malakas na talaga. And ulan ng ulan, walang araw sumikat. So, may baha daw. So, si Tami nag-alala doon sa isang bahay kasi baha daw doon. 3 inches daw yung tubig baha. So, ang hindi naman magbaha sa area doon, ang ano lang niya kasi 3 inches, that means yung maghakot, may tubig na papasok sa basement. Kaya, uuwi siya doon. Ngayon, galing kami kahapon nun, pero pupunta siya doon. Baka doon na din siya matulog or uuwi siya dito. You drink some water, then you can make some breakfast. Nakakatakot mag-storm. Sabi ko kay Tami, oh my God, ito pa naman yung pinakaayaw ko talaga, yung storm. Patayin nga natin yan. Doon ako pinakatakot talaga. And wala akong choice. Sabi ko, sasama kami ni Roxy and Misty. Sabi pa niya, wag daw kasi mataranta si Roxy kasi may alarm doon kapag may tubig na yung alarm malakas. Tumaas na siya guys talaga guys. Look. Windy. Yan. Windy. Malakas pa yan mamaya guys.
So I'm working in one of the largest cancer centers across the globe. A lot of our patients are undergoing cancer treatment, which means they're immunocompromised. So they're particularly vulnerable to COVID-19. So they are very protective of our patients, also our healthcare workers. They're doing everything they can to make sure that our healthcare workers.
Nanonood lang kami ng news early in the morning.
COVID-19 in the last 24 hours. Then we have to get to even enter the building without wearing a mask. So
Morning guys, this is what we do. God bless you. God bless.
Well, I will tell you that we've had to restrict visitors quite a bit. You know, when people are undergoing cancer care, there's a lot of anxiety with it. We always are encouraging people to have their visitors with them.
Hi guys, the wind is kicking. So, iskunin ko itong mga sapatos ko. And ito, dalhin ko sa loob ng bahay. Oops, nag-vlog pa talaga. Dalhin ko to kasi lilipad ko ito. Look, na-open na. 70. It's not just 25, honey. 70 km per hour. Itong table, dalhin ko sa loob. Itong maliit na table. And then ito. Itong ocean. The wind is starting already kicking. I'm not gonna do the other one yet. So, dito muna ito sa bahay, sa loob, para hindi lilipad sa malayo. Ibalik ko na lang ito pag okay ng panahon. Kasi yung hangin, grabe. Yun yung kinakatatakutan ko talaga. Sabi ko kay Tami, sasama na lang ako sa kanya. Uy, yung news kasi sabi pa, raw, tawag nito. Yung news is mamaya, baka daw mawala yung power. Baka daw, kasi maraming matumbang kahoy. Kahit may ibang bahay nga may tornado na dun sa south area. I-charge ko lang itong cellphone ko. Yung laptop ko din. Look, dinala ko yan dito sa loob. And, yung extra na ito. And, ito din. Yung sa swing, yung atop. Dinala ko dito kasi lilipad talaga yan kasi yung hangin sobrang lakas. And itong grapes ko is andito pa rin, look. Hindi ko pa na-plant. Parang dying nga naman din ito eh. What? I-check ko lang yung asawa ko guys. Naglalaba na naman siya. I-check ko lang siya kung anong ginagawa. Nandun sa basement. What are you doing?
Something.
What something?
Yeah, in the meantime.
Oh gee, there is lighter upstairs in our bedroom.
I know there's lights. I don't know what you don't know where they are. So what the heck?
It's in the bedroom. In our bedroom.
How many? You should have. There should
Two.
There should be all over the house.
There's two in there. Guys, naghanap pala siya ng flashlight kasi burn out kasi parang tornado na itong lakas ng hangin.
Just in case.
70. I told you, hon, I cannot live without anybody, hon, that is especially this kind of time, hon. Hon, and the wind is kicking already and you are going to drive.
I'll be fine.
So, what is it? I think there's more upstairs, honey.
What?
There's more upstairs. Okay, I'm gonna clean up this cat litter too here. Nag-start na yung hangin na kanina pa to. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Itong mga aso pusa, nag-relax lang. Ako naman dito, nagalak. Hala, yung lakas na talaga, guys. Hala, ay aksa din. Han, sorry. Han, sorry. So, honey, sorry.
Okay, then you're allowed in the garage.
Honey, seriously, I don't. Hon, luckily you knock hard. You're so mad in the back, right?
You just locked me in the garage.
Honey, sorry. Honey, I'm seriously sorry, hon, from the bottom of my butt.
Bottom of your butt?
Honey, I always do automatic lock. Oh my God, I locked my husband in the garage. Sorry. Sorry, I'm trying. I grabbed the camera because I tried to vlog. I transferred the Ariel to the container.
Vlog me laughing.
No, the container. And this is a good timing. I locked you. Oh my God. I'm sorry, love. I'm sorry. Guys, I don't really intentionally lock. It's like my hand is automatic. You know, when you're used to live at home, it's automatic. So, ito po yung gagawin ko sana. Ito. So, andi narinig ko yung tatak. Ang lakas ng ni Tami. So, ito yung gagawin ko. Yes! Ariel! Ayaw ni Roxy yung amoy. Yan lang yan siya. And safety na siya. Mabango talaga ng Ariel, oy. Natawa ako kay Tami. Natawa ako. Yun. Yun lang. It's not in the drawer in our bed?
No. Oh, and that in the side of the bed.
Look at over there, Tommy. You cannot just think that I know. You're the one who used it. Pabaunan natin si Tommy ng pagkain. Alis na siya, guys. Sumasakit yung tiyan ko sa nervous. Nervyosa ako, guys. So, padalhan ko si Tommy ng mga pagkain na luto na.
I'm not taking a pile of food.
No, this is just in case. Okay? Just in case. And then you return and bring it back. Please. Don't fight with me because I'm nervous.
It's fine.
Han, it's just like, Han, this is a tornado. There's a lot of people died already. In the south. Understand? Scary. And plus there is a big tree behind that house. You know? The tuna is there. The tuna salad.
I said I brought a can of food for all here, so I don't have that.
You're coming here. This is gonna be done. It says tonight. What did you just said?
I said I got a crazy wife.
Why is it that?
Because you're packing like I'm going away for a month.
This is just in case. And you're coming home, you bring it back, that's all. So, ito yung pagkain niya. And, my picha is growing really stronger. And, picha, it's growing. It's big, big, big. And my husband is leaving me. Oh my God, he gets so excited, Han. Do you have gloves just in case also?
Who?
Gloves in the car? Okay, get from my car. Yung garden ko. lumilipad yung garden ko ba? Lilipad yan. Hindi yan lilipad, eh. You know, bugs, oh. Bug. Plastic talaga siya, guys. Akala nyo ito siya, hindi plastic. Plastic niya, no? Mga hindi yan metal. Plastic. Yung mga sasakyan ngayon, yung mga old cars talaga is sobrang mabigat, kaya yung gas mileage is hindi din maganda. Be careful driving. Halahan, the wind! Be careful driving, okay? Please?
The doors were blowing much more the other day because I tightened them a little bit. Couldn't tighten them off, and I had to do the whole upper track.
Hey, listen. Drive careful, slow. I beg you, honey. Don't go close to that big truck.
I'm fine.
Can I love you too. I'll call you, okay? I love you.
I love you too.
I will call you, okay?
Oh, how are you gonna drive this? You didn't back this into the garage.
Because you don't really rearrange it. You just sit down and then, yeah. You just sit and drive. Drive careful. Ala, walang light si Tommy, guys. Dito, may light. Dito, pumutok, oh. I-blow. Dito, meron. Do you wanna shut it off? He did it. Okay, don't forget your light.
Keep you sorry, mine.
So, he did it, guys. Look, may light na dalawa. Kanina pumutok yung isa dun. Okay, I'll check. Grabe yung hangin, guys. Oy.
That's all right.
Drive careful. I will talk to you later. Hala, it's too close, hon. Yes, it's so close. Because it's so close, it's cracked. Bye, love you. Hoy, don't close it yet. Keep going. Iniwan na ako ni Mister. I'm not leaving you. Not leaving you. Mama, you live with me. You talaga. I'm not leaving you guys. You guys are my babies. No, I love you. I love you. Walang nakalimutan. May pagkain na siya. Ang ngayon, maglaba ako. Mag-pray tayo na walang mangyari sa electric, hindi mag-blackout, walang mangyari dito kasi yung hangin mamaya is 70 miles per hour. So, yon yung balita. So, yun yung narinig ko this morning. Mga nilalabhan niya, look. Every time talaga na maghubad siya, labhan niya. Yun siya, guys. Kaya, kahit pabalik-balik yung damit niya, nilalabhan niya, guys. So, dyan muna yan. Laba tayo. Laba tayo. Lamang ngaw. I-push ko to, guys, kasi palagi itong nag-move. Every time na mag-laundry ako, hindi na ako magbihis, guys. So, kung mag-vlog ako mamaya, same pa rin yung nakikita ninyo. Mga pangbahay ko to, guys. So, ilagay ko na lahat. Ito may, ang gagamitin kong, is, ito. Ito yung gamitin natin. Powder, kasi maganda yung powder. Lagyan natin konti ng Suavitel. Mama still hill rocks. Takot si Roxy iwan, guys, kasi kapag may hangin din, talang-tala. Tumawag si Tommy, guys. Wait. Iba pala yung tumawag, guys. Wait. Hold on. I'm happy with my pichay. Guys, lumipad yung namin, guys. Sa front porch, dahil sa hangin, lumipad yung gutter. Yung kung saan yung gutter, and then mahuhulog yung tubig. Doon, the whole thing talaga, look. Kita ninyo? Yun, and then meron dito, oh. Asan yun? Puti din, oh. Yun. Lumipad talaga siya, guys. Galing siya dito, oh. Sa front porch dito. Dito yan siya naka-attach, oh, sa niya yan. Oh, lumipad talaga. Yung garbage ng kapitbahay din namin, nasa likuran nila. lumilipad-lipad. Tinawagan ko si Tami. Sabi pa niya, yung basura daw doon sa bahay, sa isang bahay, na ano na kahit saan na. So, pagdating daw niya yun yung una niyang nasikaso, pinupulot niya yung mga lumilipad-lipad na mga kaloka talaga. Ay, ang dami ko ng ano, tumubo na, oh. Tumubo na siya, guys. Ang bilis talaga tumubo ng ano, guys, yung scallion. Nilagay ko yun dito siya, ito. Iwan ko, sana hindi yan masisira. So, ita-transfer ko lang siya kapag meron na tayong lupa or meron tayong lupa na ano, saka okay na yung weather. And then ito, itatanim ko sa lupa din kapag meron na tayong extra space. So, yan. Kasi alam ko talagang tutubo ito kasi nakikita ko yung mga ano dito is fresh pa, hindi siya patay. As in, maganda yung ano niya. So, yun. Tumutubo na yung isa. May ano pa si Tami dito, pakatnip. Daming ano ko dito, anik-anik. Nak tayo, guys. It's 4 o'clock na, guys. Iwan ko. Sabi pa ni Tami, baka uuwi siya dito. Thank goodness, thank goodness, thank goodness. Wala nang ulan. And, yun. Yung hangin nag-slow down. Thank God. Thank goodness talaga. May nire-replyan lang ako. Sa may nagtatanong, kung hindi mo makita yung DM ko, tungkol kung ano yung tinitake ko na kapag may lagnat, ganun-ganon. Ano yun siya? May Dayquil para pang-araw, sa araw mo yan, ano, at saka may NyQuil too, na para panggabi. So, yun yung tinitake ko kapag may flu, ganun-ganon, or nafe-feel ko na meron ako, mag-start yung cough ko, yung nose, yung fever. So, yun yung tinitake ko. So, yun yung, ano, yun siya. Nanonood din ako ng the weather channel para sure natin kasi may mga tornado warning sa ano Delaware, and yun yung hinano ko kasi 'di ba dito may ano may storm galing doon na area papunta dito. So hindi pa nakapasa New York, wala pa sa New York, pero nag-slow down. Ito yung pinakakatakot ko kasi kapag mag-slow down darating yung pinakamalakas. So yun siya.